Okay guys, so today I'm going to answer another question about sa nursing journey or prerequisite. So guys, kanina sinagot ko yung nagtanong, pero nagsalita po ako ng Tagalog, Bisaya, but more on Bisaya kasi nga taga Central Mindanao University sa Bukidnon. So dito naman may comment sa akin. Sasagutin natin to guys. Okay. Judith, ilang subjects mo my gosh, bulol ako. Judith, ilang subjects mo minor and major sa Philippines na credit? Di ko kasi maintindihan yung language. Since yan na, may age limit ba sila sa community college or sa university? Thanks in advance. Okay, so ito po si Ate Charm 9824. So guys, I will try to speak in English. Tagalog. Ano to? Okay, so here I will show you guys. So I will show you. Ito po yung original na TOR ko from Bukidnon State University. So, di ba? A lot of subjects, guys. So many. I think 138 credits lahat ito. Yeah, it's like 100 plus credits for 4 years. And then, yung na-credits ng community sa akin is 67 credits. Which is, I'm so grateful already guys, kasi nga, hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung credits na mabigay nila sa akin. Diba sa previous video ko, sabi ko, I'm willing to go back from zero. Okay? Pero, i-count natin kung ilan yung subjects na na-credit nila. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, 25 credits. Dahil, merong credits kasi na, ano lang kasi siya, sa Philippines kasi 3 credits, at saka may 1 credit. So, kaya, sa 25 na yun, parang ano lang siya, 67 credits. So, yan. Pero, malaking advantage na po yan sa akin. So, ilagay ko po sa taas kung ano po yung mga subjects na na-credit nila. So, ano pa yung next question niya is yung minor and major. So, nasagot na yan. And then, there's no age limit sa community at saka sa university. Kasi nga, may mga classmate na ako na 50 years old plus na kasi nga, na siya, LPA na siya, tapos gusto nilang magkuha ng bachelor. So, nag-proceed sila. Doon naman dito guys eh. At saka, kahit anong edad mo pa, kung gusto mong mag-aral ulit, tanggap na tanggap ka. Yeah. So, yun yung katanungan niya. So, yes, Ate Charm, that's the answer of your questions. Only 67 credits out of 100 plus credits from Philippines, and then 25 subjects. Hindi ko na kinount kung ilang subjects yung 4 years ko. And then, yeah. And sana kung meron ka pang tanong, ay huwag kang mahiya na magtanong. Just leave comment or message me. Yes, and I'm so happy that you watched my video, and I'm very sorry that I spoke Bisaya there. But I will try again to speak Taglish Bisaya. Yes, and that's all. Thank you.